Brothers, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So, friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful e-commerce template, fashion template in Angular 19 version. Very first, I will show you the Angular version because some users say it's not. So, see, my friends, 19.2.9. So, it's mean it's Angular latest version. So, friends, before showing the working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So guys, this is the beautiful e-commerce template homepage in Angular 19 version. And guys, also I must say few things like the assets I have called inside Angular.json file, and for this animation and other stuffs I have used jQuery as well, but not for a common purpose, for just animation. So use it carefully. If you don't want to use it, then you don't as well. But I have used for my animation purpose, so I don't have any issue by using that. So let's come to the demo. See guys, here's the demo of Angular 19 e-commerce fashion template. First, let me show you the quick look. See guys, beautiful, just beautiful. After it, one thing, I will show you all the data via API as well in next post as well or later soon. You guys see the top section, the top bar. See the main nav, beautiful sub menu, mega menu, beautiful search, and the mini cart as well. You guys see the beautiful top slider as well. And scroll down, see the beautiful section, sales section, exclusive products, inside bootstrap tabbing, beautiful hover effect. So guys, again sales section. Oops, the image is missing. I will show you the issue. No worry guys, I will solve it and don't worry about it. And see guys, beautiful Kazo. Feature products, client say, testimonial, and the services, newsletter, and the beautiful footer section. Scroll to top. And guys, it's fully responsive. So no need to worry about responsiveness. Will work for all the devices. See my friends, just great. And guys, if you will have any kind of queries, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my beautiful blog. Here's contact and advice page. This page you'll get my email ID, my WhatsApp number as well. Guys, also a full-time freelancer, you can hire me on your project as well. And yes, also my blog, you'll get multiple free things, or I can say all the free things like Angular admin dashboard templates, Angular e-commerce, React.js e-commerce, admin dashboard, Vue.js, Laravel, WordPress, Bootstrap 5, multiple templates and free thousands of admin dashboard templates as well. See guys, and all are free of course for you. And guys, like always, I will share the course snippet link inside this video description very soon. Friends, in the end, I must a few things. Please subscribe my channel. Please support me. With the support, I will get more confidence and I will bring more and more content for you, and all are free of course. Friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.